What's up, everybody? We're talking about the Duluth, Georgia real estate market, diving deep into the numbers, and we're doing it right now. Let's do it. My name is John McCoy, Keller Realty, Chattahoochee North. Been a realtor for 12 years and Atlanta native all my life, 45 years. And we're jumping into the Duluth, Georgia market. That's my hometown right now. And I love making sure that you, the viewer, are the most informed viewer out there when it comes to purchasing and selling real estate in this Atlanta, Georgia market. And we're going more hyper local, so we're looking at Duluth, Georgia. Now, if you're interested in other videos about Duluth, I've got some Duluth videos that you can find right here that just talks about living in Duluth and what it's like to be here. If you're looking for my thoughts on 2025, dropped a video with that and other videos dropping all the time on this channel when it comes to Atlanta, Georgia real estate. So that's what you are looking for. Make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, that notification bell. But let's get to these Duluth, Georgia numbers. All right, so right away, we're talking about single family detached homes here in Duluth, Georgia. And as we look at this, we're at 2.717 months of inventory, super low inventory, definitely still a seller's market at 98.8% sold to list price ratio, 24 days on market, and the median sold price is 520. So this is a quick overview of what's going on in the single family market. We'll get into a little bit more details as we go along here. Going to look at the condo and townhome market as well. And as we look at that, we're looking at 2.79 months of inventory for the condo and townhome market here in Duluth. So low numbers for that as well. This is a lot lower than what we've seen in a lot of other metro areas. So inventory here, pretty low for Duluth. 98.1% sold to list price ratio and 10 days on market for these condos and townhomes. Median sold price 355, 500. All of those down across the board, which is definitely interesting. It's the market looks like it picked up for some buyers and sellers out there for the month of November. If we go to median estimated property values here in Duluth, Georgia, single family, median home in here is estimated at 464, 170 for single family. That's up 4% over the last year here. So even if you factor in inflation, we still ticked up a little bit here in Duluth, Georgia. Always love to look at this chart here. Yellow and red represent the state of Georgia is yellow, and red is the U.S. So state of Georgia and the U.S. have been in line for a bit. Orange is Gwinnett County, and then blue is Duluth. And for the most part, you can see that, these all kind of go in the same trend direction. But since about, what's that, May of 2023, we had a little jump up in Duluth here, and the gap between Duluth and Gwinnett has kind of stretched some. So Duluth is higher valued properties here in Duluth than the rest of Gwinnett County and in the state of Georgia. We'll look at condos and townhomes here. We're looking at a median value of $322,920, and that's up 6.4% from last year. So nice little jump there. If you purchased a home in Duluth last year, you've gotten some value there. Even if you factor in inflation, still up. And we can see this trend again. Red there is the U.S. Orange, Gwinnett County actually sells a little lower than what we see in the rest of the state of Georgia. And then townhomes and condos here in Duluth are higher than all of them. We can kind of see the same trend. Definitely some more, flattening out when it comes to values here. Not as big of a jumps as we saw back in 2021 and 22. Active listings. So homes that are currently on the market, not under contract, 113 properties available, single family in Duluth, Georgia. Their median list price is $550. They've been on the market 55 days for the median. So they're on the market a lot longer than what we see for ones that are selling. Condos and townhomes, 59 on the market, 57 days. So again, matches up with what we see in single family in terms of days on market. 359, 900 is the median list price for these homes that are on market. Not going to stay too long on active. Let's go to pending. Tells a little bit better story for us. So these are homes that are under contract for single family. The median list price of homes under contract right now, $629,200 for the median price of the homes under contract. These aren't necessarily what they'll sell for, but that's definitely higher than what we see for the price of the solds from this last month. So interesting there, 62 homes under contract. So things still kind of going along at a steady pace here of what we've seen here in Duluth. If I go over to townhome and condos, $439,950 is the median list price of a condo or townhome under contract here. 30 properties under contract, 34 days is the median days on market. interesting here, definitely a jump in the price for these. Now, again, not the sold price. This is just what the list price was when they went under contract. Be interesting to see if we have a jump in the median sales price of homes that are townhomes and condos in Duluth. Okay, diving a little deeper into the sold. So we already saw median sold price for single family homes $520. That's up month over month. 34 homes went sold in November of 2024, 98.75% sales to list price ratio, and 24 days on market. How this is useful is if you're seeing a property that you're interested in, and you start getting past this 24 days on market. If you're selling a home and you're doing that, you should probably start thinking about possible sales reduction or price reduction to get it sold. If you're looking at a home, you can think as you start getting to 40, 50, 60 days on market, you're probably looking at homes that need to be dropped, and it helps you figure out what maybe you want to ask on a home if you're interested in one. Condos and townhomes, 20 closed in November at the sales price of $355,000. 500 is the median. 98.12% sales list price ratio, 10 days on market. So much quicker are these townhomes and condos here. That's pretty fast for those that are under contract. Again, this is very helpful if you're looking at a townhome you might like and it's sitting on the market 40, 50, 60 days. Start, looking to lower that price. If you're a seller, if you're a buyer, you can start waiting for it to lower, just go in and asking, a lower price for that home than you may. If it was just new on the market, you might not ask that low. But again, everything's on a case-by-case basis. This just kind of helps you with generality. Month supply of inventory for single-family homes. So 2.17 months of inventory. Very low here, very low. Inventory is going to continue to drive this market. We saw there's a lot less homes being sold this year in 2024, a lot less. But prices continue to tick up. And the reason why is even though interest rates went up, less people looking, there were still less people selling. And just because of that, there was still a press on inventory, and inventory is still going to drive a market. If you don't have a lot of homes on a market, then you're going to have prices continue to tick up. Sellers know where the leverage is. Now, are we having, buyers getting some more strength, some more negotiating power? We have. This definitely has occurred. However, still a seller's market here in Duluth, Georgia for single family and townhomes, same way, 2.79 months of inventory here. You can see a steady rise here, but look, I've seen this in a couple of Alpharetta. We saw this, and now here where you have a drop off that's kind of happened in the last couple months for for attached homes, for condos and townhomes. So that's the Duluth, Georgia real estate market. What are you seeing happen out there? We got the normal, holiday slowdown. That's not unusual. Some interesting stuff, though, is still seeing prices staying strong compared to what they were last year. So we're seeing that across the market for the most part. We're going to keep looking at these individual cities to see what's happening there. If you're looking to purchase a home in Duluth, Georgia, or sell a home in Duluth, Georgia, we'd love to talk with you more. So give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, drop a comment below what you're thinking on these numbers, what you're seeing out there. If you are interested in other suburbs in Atlanta, we're dropping more videos this month. If I don't hit one that you're interested in, again, drop a comment. Let me know what you would like. Some people wanted some Marietta content, threw that out there. I think some Snellville content. I'm going to try to hit that. So just be on the lookout for these. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.